Hey, there's a biker buddy.
Hey, biker buddy.
Motorcycle friend.
Motorcycle friend guy?
Motorcycle friend guy.
Good morning, YouTube. How are you on this beautifully warm day?
Wait a minute. I thought you were going to let me say good morning, YouTube.
Oh, shit. All right, go ahead.
Good morning, YouTube.
Hey, how you doing?
I have a motorcycle friend.
Yeah, that's a motorcycle friend guy.
Motorcycle friend guy.
Oh,
Today
yeah.
is Adrenaline's birthday.
Yes, it is. And today I ended up getting a drone.
With a camera.
With a camera, so we're gonna see what we can do with it. Give it a whirl. You know, it's gonna take me a little bit, and then I gotta find out where I'm allowed to fly it, because I didn't realize that there was actually areas that you're only allowed to fly it in, and where you can't fly it. You know, I understand. I guess people don't want that thing buzzing around in their yard looking at them. Or,
Yeah, I think the camera is what kind of restricts you a little bit too, and then airspace, right?
Yeah.
So we should be getting some video in there at some point in the future when you figure out where you can fly and everything, right?
Well, you know, I can't do it like Baker X Derek. The one that he's got, it's like a fucking $2,000 one, and the thing will actually follow you. Now, what this thing will do, I don't think it'll just follow you like that one, because it's not. He's got, I think that one's got like 5 or 6 freaking cameras on it so that it can fly itself. This one does not have that.
Yeah, how cool would that be? You can get, I mean, that would be really awesome to get, you know, the first person perspective and then third person perspective. How cool would that be? You know?
Yeah, so, you know, I'm gonna see if make a video all on its own with that one. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna transport if I take it on the motorcycle. It doesn't have its own backpack, but it has, you know, it's light enough to where it'll fit right in fucking a backpack. So I just gotta find one wide enough. I don't know if I want to wear a backpack. I think what I might do is use that one bag I got, put it on the back of the bike, or I might just strap it right to the back of the bike without any backpack.
I don't know how that would do.
Yeah, that's true, because it does have a remote. Oh, what is this in the road?
Rope, or no, it looks like it's
Man.
part of a palm tree or something.
Yeah. The Harley guys ain't waving today.
No, so they don't got their helmets, they don't got their gear on, so they're too cool to wave.
Yeah, I don't understand. Driving with no gear on at all. Flip-flops, no helmet, no gloves, t-shirt. Anyway, yeah, so we'll do a video of that. I gotta tell you, this helmet is getting more and more comfortable. When I first got it, it was a little tight, but it's definitely loosening up enough to where it's actually really comfortable. We'll see as we go along, and maybe we'll do a month or two type of review on it.
There's a car that's coming up that's pulled on the side of the road up here. He's got to be careful.
Yeah, I'm gonna use your lane a little bit here, just in case they open the door. Oh, I wonder if there's a kid wanting to go pee. But mommy, there's trees. I want to go pee.
Why is that's like your theory? Every time we see someone pulled over on the side of the road, it's a little boy that wants to pee.
I don't know. Maybe it's
Is that what
maybe
you
it's
want?
my
Do you
own
want to
little
do that?
thing. Maybe I want to go pee in the woods because it's been so long.
I think that's what it is. You want to get out and go, let's go pee on the tree,
I want to go pee in the woods.
right?
Telling you. It's nothing like standing there and peeing out of it. Just like, it gets every good last drop out of you.
That's
You know-
like peeing in nature, huh?
You know, I got my Icon jacket on today, and I didn't put my bracelet on, my my chrome one, because of the way this jacket fits. It it just doesn't fit right with it, you know. So I left it off, and man, the whole time riding, it's like I'm wondering why my hand is so light and where it is. It's like I don't have it. It's missing.
You feel a little naked?
I'm a little naked. Yeah. It's like, what the shit, man. So didn't put out a video this last week, and it had to do with the flu. Me myself, I wasn't sick. My daughter was, so I was like pretty much taking care of her. But I was kind of like feeling weirded out on it, and didn't get a chance to go riding. And I did try to ride by myself a couple times here and there, but the footage was, pretty boring. I was like, saying, oh, I'm gonna do the 10-minute challenge. I mean, if I could put something together, I'll throw the short video out. But when I watched it, it just seemed utterly worthless. It was like, man, I don't think anybody's going to want to see me babble all by myself. I mean, you're the star of the show, sweetheart. Uh-huh.
Did you want to go straight? Or do you want to go Nocatee? What do you want to do?
I want to go straight.
You want to go straight? You want to head towards the beaches?
Ooh.
What was that? What was that? Ooh. What the hell was that?
Because it felt good.
Ooh.
Hey, how you
What?
doing?
Yeah, you
Pretty
do
good
it.
in there.
I know, right?
It was a naked Ducati.
Was
At least I
it?
think it was. It's warmer out today than I thought it was. I was
Are
going
you-
to put my fucking Viner in.
I know.
You're like, or Viner.
I knew what you meant.
Yeah.
It's all good. I knew what you meant.
And you're like, no, it's too hot for that. Man, I'm glad I listened to you, because this is nice.
Yeah, I'm a little warm, but I'm going around these guys. Whoa. Or I guess I'm not going around these guys.
I'm next to you.
Alrighty.
I just didn't want you to all of a sudden go on the throughway there. I was like, I
Oh,
gotta
that
tell
took you
her.
out, huh?
Yeah, when it feels so good to be out with you and being out. It's like when I went out before, it was like, it's not the same riding by myself.
Yeah.
Just get so accustomed to it. It's like when you used to ride on the back, as wonderful it was as having you on the back of the bike, it's really nice having you ride next to me and, enjoying this hobby that we enjoy together.
Mm-hmm. It's wonderful.
You know your pocket's open? Does that make a difference?
Which pocket?
Your right pocket?
Like my outside pocket?
Yeah.
No, it shouldn't.
It shouldn't? Okay. Well, just so you didn't have your, smoking utensil in there.
No, I don't have it in there. No, it's in my inside pocket. I almost forgot it today.
Oh, that wouldn't have been good, huh?
Oh, I would have been not in a happy place.
It would have been like, okay, Adrenaline, I want your cigarettes.
Right, guess who's spoken again?
Uh-huh.
I know. Vaping, I gotta tell ya, it's a good replacement for smoking. I've been a vapor, right? Is that what you call it, a vapor? Vapor for 6 months.
I guess.
I don't know.
I guess we could start calling you Vapor.
Vapor?
Hey there, Vapor lady.
Well, I'm not. There. It looks like there's a lot of water over there. Did you see that car pull out?
I wasn't paying attention, to tell you the truth.
Maybe not. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Maybe not. Oh, yeah, that's what I see.
Maybe not. Yeah. Wow. No, maybe not.
Well, now as I checked myself, I'm like, maybe I was seeing shit.
Zip line over the crocodiles. Man. That's just unbelievably crazy. Hey, the Harley girl fucking waved her hand. The guy couldn't take his hand off.
I didn't wave. I was not a friendly motorcycle friend today.
Yeah, but did you actually see them right away to be able to wave?
Well, it was hard because I had that white vehicle in my way, my vision.
Yeah, that's what it looked like. So it wasn't like you were being antisocial, it's just you didn't know.
I didn't know until they were right on top of me, and I was like, whoa, it's too late now, right?
Yeah, get back here so we can wave to you.
Yeah, got it.
Oh, man. So nice to be out.
Yeah, it's a nice day out. It's a little warm. It's the high 80s today.
Yeah?
Yeah, but it's nice. And I gotta tell you, my leggings are very comfortable.
Yeah, what was the name of those leggings? Do you remember?
They're Oxford leggings. Oxford. Oxford super leggings. And they're lined with that Calmar lining. Yep.
Who were they made by?
Oxford.
Oh, Oxford. I thought maybe they were Icons or Alpines or...
No, I was gonna get Speed Strings. Remember those ones I bought? They had the nice little like side design.
Yeah, those were pretty hot looking.
They were, but the top was like, I don't know who the hell they were designing this top for, but I keep walking around like my pants are falling down. They were not a nice fit. These are like up in my, fit normally like normal leggings,
Yeah.
They're comfortable, love them. I want to get another pair. I wish they had different colors.
I don't know. It's tough to get different colors just because everybody wants to make it black,
Yeah.
I think it's just because the sun dyes it so much, and then you got so many bugs and pelts in India that it's tough to keep clean.
Yeah, that's true. But these are washable, so I don't understand. You wash them, but you gotta hang them to dry. Fine. But yeah, they're nice and breathable. I like them. I'm digging it. And I got a lot of bugs all over my windshield already. How you doing over back there?
I don't have very many. There's a couple.
Yeah, I'm gonna get. I just get a lot of little bitty bugs. So.
Yeah, I took the screen skirt off of mine.
Really?
Wow, is there a lot of air coming through there? It actually is making my beard like blow up. I mean, it feels good.
Getting that long already, huh? See, I still feel the air. I have mine on. I'm still feeling it through. I mean, that's one thing. It is a very breathable helmet.
Yes.
So, do you want to stop at Starbucks, or do you want to go down 13? What do you want to
13.
do?
We'll go all the way around 13 and stop somewhere. Actually, we can go get our smoothie.
Yes. Oh, so we have to go the entire time without stopping, and our reward is a smoothie from Smoothie King.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
In a couple of weeks, that Riding into History thing, I think, will be happening. I think it's beginning of May, isn't it?
I think so. Well, that'll be fun.
Yes, that'll be... I'm looking forward to that. I want to meet this old lady. She's like 96 years old. So it should be interesting.
Yeah.
Maybe you could ask her a couple questions about, being a woman rider for how long she's been riding.
Well, exactly. And what has changed over her time. I mean, that's And to still be doing it, that's amazing.
Yeah.
And wanting to do it. Because I don't know, I think the older you get, the more you realize that of your vitality, you know what I mean? You know that it's gonna happen someday, and every day you get older, it seems like it's getting sooner and sooner, right?
Yeah.
And you get more scared of things, you know? I don't know. Sometimes your risk taking goes down the older you get.
You know,
So-
when I get if I ever make it that old, I don't think I'm going to be that worried because, I mean, that's around the corner, man. I mean, what are you going to do? It's like,
Yeah.
you just got to live life to what you got, man. It's fuck it. I mean, fucking 96, man. She's got her time in. You know?
Well, right. I mean, this way you can choose which way you're gonna go, I guess, right?
Yeah, I mean, you could say, oh, well, you know, when you're young, it's like, well, I got my whole life ahead of me. But when you're 96, it's like, there ain't much you're going to do. You only got so much time left.
Yeah. I mean, at that time, you lived your life.